Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view scheduled tweets on Twitter. First of all, and of course, you'll need to go to Twitter. Let's just do that real quick. Type Twitter, then type at or tap at the first link. Then here, for me, I already have an account, of course, but if you don't have an account, all you need to do, just go and sign in, maybe with your email or your phone, or if you do have an account, log in and let's get started. So now all we need to do, as you can see here, we can put our tweets. We'll just do maybe later. And here we have an option which called schedule. So if we click on that, as you can see here, well, send on, like today is September 9, which is Friday. So let's just do 9. And the time should be like 8 minutes. And click at confirm, then click at hi, do yes. I need to change the time because it's already now it's 8 minutes, so we'll just do 9 minutes and it will update, then click at schedule. So here we just created a schedule tweet. So if we want to see our scheduled tweets, all we need to do, just go here and click at schedule again. And here, all we need to do, just click at scheduled tweet. So as you can see, this tweet will send on Friday, September 9, 2022 at 1:09 p.m. So let's just go back and wait for just 1 minute to pass, and you will see that the scheduled tweet will just tweet automatically and you don't need to do anything. Just maybe here scroll down and wait until minutes 9. Yeah, as you can see here, the tweet just got posted, I guess, as you can see here 3 seconds ago. And that's how you tweet a scheduled tweet and view scheduled tweets. I hope you liked the video, guys. Thanks for watching and goodbye.